Journey's Open Arms, acapella. Lying beside you, hear it in the dark, feeling your heart beat with mine. Softly you whisper, you're so sincere. How could our love be so blind? Till dawn together, drifting apart, and here you are by my side. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am, open heart, hoping you'll see what you have me to me. Open up. Living without you, living alone. This empty house is so cold. Wanting to hold you.